guys, today I know you see you're thinking, why do you see glue? Why do you see a cup? Why do you just see a spoon and nothing else? Well, today we are making slime. Welcome to another episode of Arts, Crafts, and Snacks. Today we are making a craft called, drumroll please, I hope you like it, doo-doo, slime. So I know when you search my videos up, you don't search up the name of this channel. You only search up like Hernan Barros. So if you're new to this channel, to search up this video, search up Hernan Barros, and then search up Hernan Barros, okay? So these are the things you need: school glue, a mixing tool, a cup.
Nice work. Now let's get a jacket.
And for my younger fans, please make sure to have an adult supervision while you're making this craft. So first we are going to pour our school glue in. If you don't, now it's time to pour. It's time for the satisfaction. I'm gonna pour a little more.
Look at me.
Okay, so now that we have poured in our glue, if you want, you can add food coloring, but I am just gonna leave mine white because I am weird and I like plain things for some reason. So now you're going to get the mixing spoon and to the mixing thing, or you're going to get your cup and pour a teensy bit of water till the slime has one whole layer of, till the glue has one tiny thin layer of water on it. Remember not to pour too much water. Now, remember not to pour too much water, otherwise it will be very watery and gooey. So, I forgot to tell you, you also need either borax and warm water, mix it up, and that's your activator. Or you can use contact contact solution. I got mine right here. I know this is from a slime kit, but I made it I poured like other contact solution in it, so okay. So let's pour now it's time to pour the activator. Now, but first you have to listen to these tips. Remember, pour the activator a little bit at a time, and keep pouring a little bit at a time while you're mixing until it's a right consistency. So let's go. That was way too much. Do not do that. Sorry guys, just keep mixing. Yeah. Okay, this is taking long. Okay. Now remember. Okay. Now, you know when it's ready when it starts to stick to itself. Like it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore, and you can basically pick it up. hand might be a little bit sticky, but I will try to pick it up. Guess, yeah, this is pretty sticky. I will grab a little bit. So now, if you can see this, I grabbed a little bit of the slime. Now let's move this to a side. Whoa. Okay. Ugh. No. And when you get that consistency, start grabbing it and mix it with your hands till it's okay, till it's not too sticky anymore. And now I actually very much like this slime. I never actually knew if it would turn out good or not, but it actually turned out pretty sleek and white. It kind of reminds me of coconuts for some reason, like the inside of coconuts. I don't know why. It's just me. Sleep, sloop, sloop, sloop. And now this has become a satisfying video for all. Funny, huh? This is very nice. It really is nice. Now I am going to pour the rest out. I know this does not look good. I hope it will be though. Oh yikes. That was sticky. Put this to the side. Yes, a side. Gluey. Now, now please subscribe to my channel. If you hear me, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, great. Please subscribe in my channel and put the links and in the links or in the comments below, down below, just say if you think the slime was good or not. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the best slime I've made, but it is up there for me. I'm not the best person at making slime, but but I know who is. If you want to see my next video, it should be right out there, and with my sister, Olivia. She is amazing at making slimes. She's the best at it, literally. You won't believe her, I promise you. Now remember what I said at the beginning of the video. If you want to search my videos up, search up Hernan Barros. And you can see all my videos. Now, as I said, time for satisfying videos. Time for satisfying videos. Satisfying videos over. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video. As I said, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.